What's up, guys? Coolmate here. I was showing you around this DIY project little refrigerator I built. If you know what those Pelter techniques, you know what that means? Like, it's a cooling pad. I will show you what it looks like, you guys. Hold on just a minute. Alright. It's in this closet where I store stuff at. Shoot. What the heck I just do? Sorry, guys. I got the window open. Makes the air slam. Alright, guys. Hold on just a minute. Here it is. Excuse me. Sorry. Alright, guys. Just a moment. These are the stuff I store in there every time I take apart. Alright, guys. Just a moment. I installed the thermostat to it. I didn't show y'all because I want to make this video too long for y'all. Look at this. I turn it on, turn it back off. This, guys, I'll show you a review. It's too noisy. This is what it looks like, guys. Those are Pelter Tech ones. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Shoot, I'm gonna turn it back on. The alarm clock is acting up. Look, you guys. If you know what that is, I got that piece of junk from the dollar store. I shouldn't do this. Let's see, we'll start up with electricity. There it is, you guys. Sorry, guys, I gotta turn on the electricity on. Look what happened. Now I have to change the clock. Is that crazy? These are the Pelter Tech ones, you guys. See this? Right here, right there, see? So what they look like from your mini fridge. I replaced it from my red cooler. That's why I took it apart. Look at this. I'm sorry, guys, I gotta keep this thing running. The alarm clock is gonna catch on fire. I gotta take the 9-volt battery as possible. Take it out because I don't want to catch on fire. See this, guys? Look at all this. All that's rusted right there. That's rusted. Number one. This is the fans I got on Amazon. This is brand new. And this is the old fan I got from my old mini fridge. All that is from a cooler I did review last 2 years. 2018. All that parts is from all my stuff I tore apart. And this is my brand new heatsink right there. Got on Amazon. Cost a lot of money, like between $18 maybe. I don't know how much it costs. Not trying to confuse y'all. This is a brand new heatsink. Trust me, okay? I gotta clean all this stuff. I got thermal glue right there, guys. Look. Thermal glue as well. You need it. Just put stuff on it and keep your nice drinks cool. Alright, guys. This is -2 right there. See that? If you know how I did it, that's the AC power line. I'm going to get that shortly. See that? Look how that wiring then did. See that? The thermostat's hooked up to the power supply right there, 12 volts. It needs some power. You can't read in the back. It's Chinese written. So you actually go press buttons. Gotta hold it because it couldn't move. See, it couldn't move. Look, it's set to 40, I don't know. It won't let you, I don't know why. It's set 25. That's all. Well, yeah, I don't know. It's a piece of junk. I don't know, but it's all good. Does it come off? No, it doesn't. Yeah, it's about to come off. I'm not gonna break it, guys. I was just making sure the glue is staying up. Well, see, guys, guess how I do it. I'm gonna have to cover this back up. All these electrical wires in the way. It's not good. Yeah, I gotta deal with this right there. It's loose a little bit. Alright, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is my new bed, I guess. Look at this, guys. I got a new LED charger. Look at that. You should get this at any place, like Ace Hardware or whatever. They don't sell in dollar stores. They sell them at Ace Hardware's only. Alright, guys. I will show you DIY project, whatever I get new products offline. And I'll see you next time. Peace.